I'm Beth, and today I'm going to teach you a solo jive routine. So you don't need any partner. I'm going to break down each section so you can follow along. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first section, and then I'm going to turn around so you can follow along with me. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's give it a go. Okay, for the first step, I'm going to step over on my left. Left, I'm going to point on the right. Point. And again, we're going to step over on our right. Point on the left. Step over on our left. Point on the right. And the last one, step on the right. Point on the left. Let's give that another go. Ready? And step, point, step, point, step, point, step, point. Remember to accentuate the hip when we are pointing, and the step, we're bending into it. So bend, 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 point, bend, point. And try to keep that same rhythm. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. One more time, and then we're going to learn our next step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is where we have finished off. And our left leg is pointed, and the majority of our weight is on our right leg. Now we're going to step, we're going to cross behind, together, forward. One more time. So our left leg is pointed, we straighten our right, to then cross behind on the left, together, and step. One more time. Left leg is pointed. Straighten our right leg to come up, cross behind, together, and step. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. And again, from here, 1 is ball. Is ball. 2 is ball flat. Let's do that again. Ball, ball, ball flat. Which brings us to our next part of our routine, which is kick, kick. So let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one thing I want you to remember is when we kick, although it's possible to kick while we're vertically straight, it is more difficult. So what I want is a contra in the body. So I'm leaning the opposite way. So if I'm kicking with my right leg, I'm leaning to my left. I'm kicking, leaning the other way. And same in reverse, if I was kicking with my left, I would lean to my right. So just remember that when we do the double kick over there. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Leaning 3, 4. So when we kick, we straighten, bend, straighten, bend. Make sure we practice that, just the kicks. Bend, straighten, bend, straighten. And of course the other side. Let's continue. Okay, everybody, going from our last point on 8. Remember, ball, ball, ball flat, and our left leg is currently down, and kick and kick. Very good. Let's do that one more time before going to the next section. From the last point. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay, let's give it a go to music from the top to the kicks. Let's go. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we've just done the first part to music. If you need to rewind, practice it as many times as you like. If you're ready, let's continue on from the kicks. So we have 3, 4. We then cross behind, 5, together, forward, together, before throwing our hips and butt backwards. And again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 7, we go forward. On 8, we go backwards. And again, from the kicks, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 3, 4, cross behind, together, step, together, forward, back. Now with counts, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 7, I bring my feet together and my hips go forward at the same time before chucking it back on the 8. One more time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I feel like we've got that, so let's go all the way from the top. Make sure you're counting along with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So this brings us into our next section. Once again, watch me first, see how it's supposed to look, and then I'm going to turn around so you can follow. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. I'm going to turn around and let's go from the hips back on 8. So we now step forward with our left leg on 1. 1. As you can see, I'm facing this way and then I'm turning to then face straight. So 7, 8, step forward on 1, step back on 2, side on 3, forward on 4. And now we repeat that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, hips back on 8. We step forward, back, side, forward. Forward, back, side, forward. I'm going to do that a few more times so we get this pattern down. Forward, back, side, forward, forward, back, side, forward. One more time. Forward, back, side, forward. Very good. From the hips back on 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are now on our right leg mostly. We then step forward. 1. We turn to step forward on 2. We then step on 3. Ronde our leg back. 4, 5, 6. Roll our shoulders on 7, 8. Okay, let's go again from our hips back on 8. Remember, we're facing the diag and then we slowly go to face forward. So it doesn't have to be a sharp movement. It can just happen gradually as we step. And 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember this step? We are bending into it and bend, 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 bend. So it's not straight, 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 straight. I want you to have fun with it. Think about like an old sort of 50s vibe. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, you can style it how you would like, a little bit more feminine. You can also be a very masculine step. It's up to you. So let's do that again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We step forward on our left, forward on our right, to the side, ronde. Shoulders before crossing behind. One more time, back on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Ronde starts on 4, 5, 6. Roll our shoulders. Have a little bit of fun with it on 7, 8. And again, from just the turn. 1, 2, 3. Our ronde starts on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we cross behind. 1, together, out. Cross behind, together, out. Cross behind, together, out. Cross behind, together, out. Let's do it again from the hips back. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roll 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Let's go just from the turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's important to remember when I am ronding or when you're ronding, we can have fun, we can style it, we can do arms, we can be more down, we can come up with it if we'd like. That's really up for your interpretation. I decided to do a bit of a shoulder roll on 7, 8, but you can do what you would like. Okay, so this brings us to our last and final steps. Hopefully you've got it up until here. Once again, if you haven't, rewind, practice before learning the next steps. So we just finished our Drunken Sailors, which is this step. Now I'm going to show you our final steps. Watch me first and then follow along. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretty simple. Let's do this from the Drunken Sailors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have our weight on our left leg. Our right leg should be free, so we can kick with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we kick forward on the 5, but we step to the side on 6. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We hold, and 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, side, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is, of course, back to the beginning. So let's go from the Drunken Sailors. I'm going to face you this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, R8. So our kicks, we start with our right leg. 1 we kick, 2 we step. 3 we kick, 4 we step. 5 we kick, and 6 we step to the side. Hold 7. If you're a little bit more advanced on the 7, you can lean a little bit more. R8. Again, starting with our right leg to kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, R8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you know, that's the beginning of the routine. Again, let's go from the Drunken Sailors this time. 1, R2, 3, R4, 5, R6, 7, R8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, R8. All right, everybody, that brings us to the end of our solo jive routine. I hope you had a great time learning this routine. If you did, make sure you check out our other routines on our channel, and I'll see you next time.